Hello everybody, here we are on Google Cloud again. Today we're going to be talking about Kubernetes and going to deploy application using Istio, which at a high level, how to reduce complexity of all the deployments in a development way. I can say how to run distributed microservice architecture, providing a uniform way and secure and how to handle all this complexity. That's how Istio works. It's all the insights and operational control over the service mesh in as an entirety whole. Okay. First thing we're gonna do here, we're going to enable the shell. Let's open the shell. Continuing. It's already set the project ID. Takes a little while. I'm gonna be clicking on the Kubernetes engine. We're gonna be creating a cluster info. Here we already get. So let me. This is the lab. Now I'm going to set a zone. Okay, my zone is updated. Now, okay, what I intend to do, I'm gonna enable the Google APIs. This is the command services enable container Google APIs.com. All right, so right now let's create a cluster. We can clicking create cluster, but it's not my idea. I'm going to run like a command. Just one second, I prepared it. Gonna get the project ID. This command should be enough. Gcloud beta container clusters create gonna hello Istio dash product and add-ons Istio MTLS strict. Why isn't found? Maybe something wrong. Okay, wait just a second. Let me just remove all of it. Ah, got it. Gcloud. If it's gonna be creating our container. I wonder everything's go fine. Otherwise, gonna be clicking here and creating from the command line interface. Creating a cluster takes a while. Let's refresh. After we can double check some things inside. Now, once it's created, we're gonna check the Istio. It's fine. Because in this way, you're gonna be having to be installed the pilot in the egress gate telemetry policy, Citadel, Prometheus, and sidecar injector. You're gonna click here. Have the add-ons. Is restricted. Is enabled. The add-ons you can have. I'm gonna enable all the things later. Let's leave it here. Creating the cluster really takes a while. Could have created it before the video, but I prefer step by step. Well, there is someone can say, yeah, doesn't have entire steps, doesn't work for me. In this case, there's no cheating. I ain't cheating you. This is being health created. You know that there is a master node and the workloads. Okay, now let's get the Istio instance. I mean, as we see the servers, nothing about Istio, not even the, I can say the pods. I have to enable pods. Ah, pods are here. Great, it's just great. Let me check it. Add-ons, Kubernetes, enable it, HTTP low boss, let's enable, Istio restrict, enable it, great, let's save it. I wonder it doesn't take too much. You can check the services. Oh, here we have, and the pods are checked before it's and running, up and running. What I'm gonna have to do right now, let's deploy an application. Okay, so first thing you're gonna download the Istio. Let's leave it work. I'm gonna show something here what I have it on my machine. Uh, Here, for example, have Istio 1.6 and 1.5. In 1.6 we have the samples, the book info. For example, we're gonna be running the things. You have the samples which you can use for learning that. Okay, once you download it, if it's wins, you're gonna apply using the command manifest apply this YAML. You can even change it. And by the way, the samples helps learning all the things. So here we just download. Let's get into Istio. Okay. Oh, let's see this. We're gonna be running a booking for YAML. Okay. Ooh, I just have to exile. Let's open an editor. Let's we can do this. I think it's much more interesting. Samples, book info. I'm gonna be going to the platform, to cube, and I'm going to book info. Oh, here we go. Great. So in this case right here, we're gonna be enabling the injection on the namespace default. After you can check, so here's the entire application. I mean the entire installation. Role-based access control, you can use all that. So it's deprecated on the 1.6 version. Yeah, let's check. Yeah, I did the connection. Okay, refuse. So let's apply the booking info. Okay, I think I get into connect to the cluster. 1 second. I'm gonna be running gcloud cluster. Let's connect to the cluster. I'm gonna be running this. Call it hello. That's Istio. Specify a location. Yeah, we can say this dash zone, which is our zone. US Central 1 AF. Or US that's Central 1 dash F. Ah, 3. Label it. Let's double check using C here. And remember, you have to get the credentials over the cluster. Otherwise, none. So now, as you are on Istio fold, yeah, have the Istio samples. So let's apply samples booking info platform. Oh, deploying all those things here. Let's see, we got our workloads, services. Here we go. This is the Istio. You can see their namespace. So we can have the default here. Here we have the product page. So now let's apply a gateway. Who is the gateway? Booking info gateway. hmm Wait, actually I'm very far from the screen, but the name is networking. No, platform is here. We are applying booking info gate. Booking info gate, ingress gate to the port, HTTP the protocol, and create a virtual service. Okay. Let's give it a little refresh. Okay, more things applied for us. What's the name? We create. Let it get the services and pods. Services, pods. All right. So in here, let's go to the application. In case you are using Ingress Gateway, okay. so we can get the address. External IP. All right, let's try. We have a service called product page. Okay. So now I want to export this URL and to external IP. All right. So we're gonna make a cur 200. That's expected. This is the application. Okay. What we're going to do now, as we're at deploy, you know that you can deploy all these applications here, not even the booking info, but all those things here. This is basically on the Istio site. Everything is already configured, prepared for you to start checking what are the Istio components. Good. What I want to do now, I want to run a destination rule with the METLS, like with the METLS. Okay, creating the destination. I don't know if those components are Istio. You can be seeing all those things here. All you have. Okay, it's enough here. We have 12 components. Okay. We created destination rule, and now it's gonna be start routing. So you can get here and check the virtual services we create. Or you can just call instead of writing the virtual service, you can yes. Okay, the booking info gateway. All right, let's run some other virtual service with different versions. This is a virtual v1, okay? And we can get it. Oh, you see we have much more. The reviews, the product page, etc. So now let's get the destination rows. After we can go to each component. You see there's two words here, destination rule. You just think, I think you can write DR, like virtual service, you're VC. Yes, sorry, I'm speaking Italian. Okay, you see all the things. The destination rows. That's how the mesh basically works. That's gonna be running another one with another version. Reviews with V2. Okay, just configure another version. Let's get the virtual services, just the reviews one, because we just had, you see, reviews. Great. That's basically a virtual service with all the mesh stuff. Now let's create another, can be running all the YAMLs you have there, another version. I don't think that's going to be shown here. 12, okay. But you're gonna check, I always have different services which points to different versions. We expect to see different things here because it shows different payloads. You don't see the API called in case you just have the product page. All the others are not REST APIs because it calls internally by the mesh, okay, by the virtual service. Here we go. You see, each time you have different things because of different versions of those APIs of reviews. It really forces you to work with different versions if in case you need. Now here you're going to be watching. Here you have the product page. I just watch the curve. Look, watch it, the curve. Now let's apply another virtual service of v3. Configure it. Refresh. Oh, F5. Maybe the destination row is pointing just to another thing. In case, that's how simple it is to work with the Istio and all the components you can use on your own inside a cluster. Like I showed like how to work with the cluster, load balancer, all the things. And here's our workloads, even the default ones are the things we deploy. You can see the versions. Just 15. Let's see, group by namespace. So it's already going to be grouping by. I mean, the details, product pay ratings, reviews. The reviews will deploy three versions, as you can see here. And here's the components of Istio already default standard. All right, simple, right? Thanks for watching. And this is how it's simple to work with the Istio and then inside the cluster or Google Cloud. Actually, you can simply run it on your machine, like I just shown here in front. Like, here's not the, Linux virtual machine or even Unix, whatever. It's just you can run it on Windows. It's gonna be a little mess with Docker images, but okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.